Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll be showing you how to get cheaper shipping in AllChinaBuy. To do this, we want to go press your profile in the top right hand side corner. Here, go down to Wallet, press Coupons. Here, it will give us the option of some coupons. Two types of coupons. There are ones that you can manually apply and you can get by emails and stuff like that. Or there is the types where the system applies it directly to your checkout. The system will notice that you've spent over a specific amount. So example, here the minimum fee for this to get 360 yen off is 3,000 yen. So once you pay over 3,000, the system will automatically apply this coupon. If we go down to the bottom, you will see there are two types of shipping discount coupons. Coupons can be applied to the shipping cost after the member discount is calculated. Then it says, if the system determines that the shipping cost requirement is met, the shipping price of coupon will be applied after the member discount is calculated. So yeah, I hope this video helped. Thank you very much.